Hi guys, Polly and Nina here from Property Brokers, and today we're bringing you 16 Cecil Place to the market. Actually, speaking of Polly, where is she? Polly, where are you? Come with me and we'll come and find her. Polly! No, not in the dining room. Holy hecker, look how big this lounge is. Well, she's definitely not in the lounge. Okay, come with me and we'll have to try and find her. Polly, where are you?
Hello.
Oh, hey, what are you doing?
Well, I was just trying to suss out which I'd use as the master bedroom. They're all so big. Come and have a look. I hope people call us to come and have a look at this house. It has got so much space. You might have said that.
I did. Yeah, that's okay.
But it does need modernising. But it's a brick exterior and it's aluminium joinery and it's in a really great family cul-de-sac.
Oh, absolutely. Look, we're Polly and Nina. We are the PNN in Palmy North Real Estate. Give us a call to come and view this property or pop on down to the open home. We look forward to seeing you then.